Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cabbage dal. We will begin by gathering all the necessary ingredients for this wholesome and comforting dish. Then, I will guide you through each cooking stage, from preparing the dal to adding the final tempering. By the end, you will have a wonderful, aromatic meal ready to enjoy, perfect for any occasion. To start, you will need 1 cup of split pigeon peas, or tor dal, which forms the base of our dish. Grab 2 cups of finely chopped fresh cabbage, along with 1 medium onion, 2 ripe tomatoes, and 3 green chilies for a touch of heat. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and your favorite spices like turmeric, red chili powder, and garam masala to enhance the flavors. First, pressure cook the 1 cup of dal with 3 cups of water until it is soft and mushy, which usually takes about 3 whistles. In a separate pan, sauté the chopped onions, ginger garlic paste, and green chilies until they turn golden brown and fragrant. Next, add the 2 chopped tomatoes and your chosen spices, cooking until the mixture thickens and the oil begins to separate from the sides. Finally, stir in the cooked dal and the 2 cups of cabbage, simmering until the cabbage is tender. For the final touch, prepare a flavorful tempering. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a small pan, then add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and a few fresh curry leaves. Once they splutter, pour this hot tempering directly over your simmering cabbage dal. Garnish generously with fresh coriander leaves for a burst of freshness. Serve your delicious, aromatic cabbage dal hot with steamed rice or warm roti for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.